Hello everyone, I'm Kenny. Steve just went upstairs to go take a nap. He's been up all night and then had to go to Louisville and all this good stuff, but I'm here with blind boxes, about all I could find in Bardstown, Kentucky. Hopefully next week I'm going to Louisville and we find some cool stuff there I can do some videos on. Here, nothing, not Shopkins, no nothing, but I'll show you what I got. I got 2 Game of Thrones, 2 science fiction mystery ones. I got these at GameStop. And Avengers Age of Ultron. So we'll start with these first. These are Game of Thrones. Like I said before, I don't watch the show, so I won't know the characters. Here's the back. I like to get the dragons. And I got these on clearance for $2.97. So let's get these suckers open. Hopefully I get my dragons. And our first one. And I want them names with the people, so. Definitely not a dragon. I got him. He is a 1 in 24 chance. I don't know if my brother needs this one or not. If he does, he'll have him now. He's got the scar right there. Yeah, I'm not sure who he is, so. Or if my mom would like it, my brother already has it, you can have it too. Of course, she don't watch my videos. She's too busy. She can't be bothered. And number 2. Come on, dragon. Like 1 in 24 chance. That's probably not going to get the dragon out. Small one. Very small one. Again, I don't know who she is. I have no clue. You know, leave a comment at the bottom if you know who these people are. She is a 1 in 12 chance to get her. So she's common. Still pretty cool. Okay. Let's do the Avenger ones. I know the Avengers. Let's take the plastic off first. Then I'll show you the box. Maybe. Okay. Here's the front. Got it out of the way. Here's the front. Side. And these are 1 in 12, all of them. So, you got a good chance to get any of them. See if I can guess who it is. Let's see. I have no clue. Thor. I'm glad I got Thor. He's a bobblehead. You don't bobblehead very much. I'm Thor. Actually, I like Thor. So, there's their half. Thor. Let's do the other one. I'm thinking this is the Hulkbuster. It's really heavy. If it's not, I'd be surprised. I think it's the Hulkbuster. Yes, it seems like it's going to burst out of the box. Yeah, how big that is. I'm sorry, I got it right. Hulkbuster. Pretty cool. The arms do not move. go to the last two. Pick the camera here. You can at least see the toys. There you go. Take the plastic off these and then we'll go from there. Oh man, I can't get the plastic off. These right there. Alright, some of these are easier to do than the other. I didn't want to destroy the box trying to get the plastic off before I get to show you the box. Science Fiction 2. There's all the different ones you can get. I'm hoping to get Godzilla, Alien. You know, pretty much any of them would be nice at this point in time. Since I don't have any of these. But let's see what we got. Ooh. Battlestar Galactica. He's pretty cool. He's a 1 in 16 chance. So he's pretty cool. I like him. And last one. Max is looking at me. Oh yeah. Oh, Star Trek. Steve will like him. Wish I'll quit dropping him. He is 1 in 12. The cyborg thing. There you go. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe at the bottom. Give it a thumbs up. Please share this video. And we'll try to be making more next week. I'm on vacation. But we're redoing the whole floor. So I don't know how about time to make any videos or not. But I'm going to sure try. Thanks everyone. Bye.